Was good, ladies and gentlemen. How's it going? Hope everyone's doing good. India's most inconsistent YouTuber is back. So today is 2nd November, 9 a.m. I haven't slept all night as I was editing this video. I guess the last video that I posted was from July, from my birthday time, from the herping session. And after that, in 3 months, बहुत कुछ हो गया भाई. घर वर change हो गया, घर का area change हो गया. Lot has happened actually. I haven't recorded much, but whatever I have, I might try to post some things out of that. One of which is this video. This is about the Slack workshop that I hosted in my backyard with Offgrid. Yeah, and I've decided to make some changes. I've decided to make some things easy for myself so that I can post more. The thing is, I don't know how many guys know or realize that I put a lot of effort in my videos. There's so much editing happening, so many B-rolls, and I try to maintain like talk with B-roll, then some humor and this, that and all of that, and mainly the music. I take days. I listen to like thousands of beats to find the right one for the video that I'm making, and then I do a lot of changes in that beat as well. And I do all of this for me because I really love doing that, but this process takes a lot of time, and because of that footage jama ho jata hai, and then once it's late then I don't feel like posting it. So the plan is to make things easy, to make things simple, to make the videos more simple so that there can be more videos. I don't know how it's gonna work because most of the times when I say things about YouTube and videos, I don't do it. So yeah, starting with this video, the Slack workshop with Offgrid Goa. Go have fun. What's good, everyone? Weird that I didn't think of doing this. I just stepped out to admire the beauty right now. थोड़ा मस्त हवा चल रहा है, वो देखने आया था मैं. And actually to plan the things that I'm going to do today. I have a lot of work to do today. Tomorrow I'm hosting my first workshop at this place. I haven't discussed anything about Offgrid on my YouTube yet. I just wanted to do adventure activities with that because I've been hosting outdoor experiences for over 10 years now. Taking my friends out for hikes, exploring different places every time, waterfalls, water streams and blah blah blah. You guys already know about all that. दुनिया भर के वीडियोस बना के डाले अपन ने दुनिया भर. And then I started Offgrid. In short, मतलब ये सब है भाई. कभी पूरा story I'll make like a proper video about why I did it and where did I come from and blah blah blah. This is the reason I sometimes don't vlog, I guess, because I honestly didn't plan to vlog today. मतलब मेरे को ये करने का था. अभी मेरे को ये पूरा लेबर का काम है भाई. ये पूरा जो घास का एरिया है ये पूरा मेरे को चॉप करके निकलना है क्योंकि इधर स्लैक डालेंगे कल स्लैक वर्कशॉप है अपना. As I said, it's the first Slack. It's my first Slack workshop. Like it's like what the fuck am I saying? It's my first workshop that I'm hosting with Offgrid. I've been hosting a lot of experiences with Offgrid. I don't know if you guys know. Follow the page if you haven't. I take people out to quarries. I take people out for MTB rides. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of rides around, taking people for rides, waterfall hikes, blah blah blah. तो अभी अपना Slack workshop हो रहा है भाई first कल 13 September. So ये Slack का audience तो है ही नहीं. मतलब people don't know about the sport, or people don't really want to learn or this thing, and even if they want to, they wouldn't want to pay for it. And that's exactly my target. I really want to host shit which has a niche audience and which we can promote maybe, so things like that. And I'm down to share my location for anything. I haven't showed you this place and all, but maybe you guys will see in the future, you never know. In short, this is one of the most beautiful places I've lived at, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know I like views where I live. So ये आज लेबर डे है, घास फूस काटने का है. कितना ब्लॉग करूंगा क्या मेरे को मालूम नहीं, because I'm not gonna show the place. I'll show you the workshop and some clips of the workshop maybe, and this could be a part of a different vlog. I don't know, because these days I've just been off vlogging, man. But as I said, महीने में एक वीडियो आएगा भाई. Ladies and genitals, I just woke up a while ago and I came to my backyard and I saw there were two lines, I mean slack lines, because after the workshop Summer left it here and I couldn't practice because I wasn't home and I wasn't even feeling best. Like right now also my body, my temperature is a little warm, and I didn't practice at all after that. And also, by the way, yesterday I was just chilling here. I was sitting here and sipping on my coffee, looking at the fields, looking at the birds, just my usual morning. And I was actually on a video call with my homie Jonty. Then I saw a baby python. I just saw a baby python crawl out down there. वो भाग गया. I only saw its बोचा actually. आजकल सब लोग बोचा गांड दिखा के भाग रहे हैं. इधर इतना घास में इधर से गांड दिखा के छोटा बेबी पाइथन भाग गया. होपफुली बेबी पाइथन ही था. 99.99% उतना तो अपने को भाई समझता है रॉक पाइथन था अपना, बट भाग गया क्यूटी अपना. आई विश आई कुड गेट टू सी हिम मोर एंड एडमायर हिम मोर. हिम और हर और दे देम जो भी है भाई आजकल. दे देम गैंग बैंग LGTV USB-C टाइप जो भी है. हाँ, सो कमिंग बैक. I have these lines in my backyard and let's see how I do 4 days after the workshop without any training. I don't know how this angle is going to be, but let's see. Thinner line, by the way. This is just 1 inch. As you can see, my finger, this is thick, so I don't know what's easier. Let's see if I can cross this, walk this whole line. I did it, but let's try it on the other side. Now just for self संतुष्टि we'll do this line as well and then I'll go back in. बहुत काम था मेरे को एक्चुअली घर पे, मैं बाहर आके डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गया अभी इस पे. अभी इधर मैं आधे घंटे से टाइम पास कर रहा हूँ. टाइम पास नहीं है. When I have this in my backyard and I don't play. For your legs, mind, everything. It's a very underrated sport. So kudos to whoever's doing it to Samar. And that's my thing actually. I really want to promote or do activities which are not that known to everyone and not that accessible and keep it affordable. And that's what Off-Grid is all about. Off-Grid adventures, Off-Grid experiences is about things like this. There will be many more stuff happening. There will be a lot of other things which are going to be added soon. Different workshops, different experiences. Just stay tuned, man. We're just getting started. Wake up, hit 4 doobs and do that. I don't think that's bad. I had to do it, man.